Right, here's something most people never realize. Your phone is packed with sensors: a microphone, a compass, a gyroscope, a barometer, a light sensor. And most apps barely touch them. But a handful of clever free apps use the unusual ones in ways that feel like magic. Here are five. First up is Merlin Bird ID. This one's made by Cornell University, and it's the one that makes people gasp. You're out on a walk, there's birdsong everywhere. You open Merlin, hit record, and it listens. And in real time, it tells you exactly which birds are singing, even when three or four are going at once. It's like Shazam, but for birdsong, completely free and genuinely magic. Next is Skymap. This one's been brilliant since the first Android in 2018. You hold your phone up to the night sky and it labels everything: every star, every constellation, every planet, mapped to exactly where it sits above you. Point it down and it shows the sky on the other side of the planet, free and brilliant with kids. Number three is for the curious. Phyphox, built by a German university, turns your phone into a full physics lab. It taps every sensor at once: acceleration, light, magnetic fields, pressure, sound, and gives the actual readings. Spin your phone, measure the G force. Brilliant for students or anyone who's wondered what's really inside their phone. Number four is Microsoft Soundscape. This one was designed for blind and low vision users, and it's genuinely clever. As you walk, it builds a 3D audio map around you: street names, shops, landmarks, called out in the direction they actually are. So a cafe on your left sounds like it's on your left. Fascinating tech and free to try. So that's five apps that turn your phone into something you'd never expect. Merlin for birdsong, Skymap for the stars, Phyphox for physics, and Soundscape for getting around. And one bonus for the privacy-minded: whoBIRD. It does the same bird listening trick as Merlin, but it's fully open source and works offline. So nothing leaves your phone. Everyone is free. This is the first of three in a hidden apps series. Tell me below, which one are you trying first?